Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create a realistic mask mockup effect in Photoshop. First, select the lasso tool or any quick selection tool and make a clean selection around the mask area. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the mask on a new layer. Now go to the adjustment layer and choose levels. Turn the mask button on and drag the right slider slightly toward the left, around 131. This increases contrast and helps the design blend better later. Next, go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the design or image you want to apply on the mask. Press Ctrl+T, right-click, and select Distort. Adjust the corners so the design fits naturally on the mask. Press Enter to confirm. Now right-click and create a clipping mask. This will apply the design onto the mask shape perfectly. Go to blending mode and change it to multiply. After that, go to levels adjustment. Again, drag the right slider toward the left around 25 to increase the depth and realism. And that's it. Your mask mockup effect is complete. Here is the before and after clean, realistic.